Yeah. Look, all of my wins going crazy. I gotta brag on myself, I amaze me. I know I'm got something that can phase me. I'm too dope like I'm back in the 80s. Okay, call me and I'm gon' slide. Pull up with me for a hell of a ride. You need a couple wins, they ain't doing it right. Hit up my line, we gon' turn up the night. I got a lot of wins on my dinner plate. Ain't coming down, gotta levitate. I know my next win is the best one, so I tell them that I'm on to the on to the
On to the next one. On to the next one. On to the next one. On to the next one.
Look, I don't take no loss, it's simple. I'm a stand-up guy, want 10 toes. Looking in the mirror, who better than me? Got their hands high, tell them that I'm out of their reach. I know I want a few M's, so I'm up, making it happen. Put a back laughing. Look, took a few L's, but now I'm way up. You should see they reaction. Whoa, got a lot of wins on my dinner plate. Ain't coming down, gotta levitate. I know my next win is the best one, so I tell them that I'm on to the on to the
On to the next one. 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 To the next one.
Welcome to tonight's celebration.
This is the moment we've been building up to.
The Unstoppable 18th Anniversary Awards.
Congratulations! We made it this far doing it right. At hindi madali yon. Sa SP Madrid, wala tayong kailangan ikatakot. Tama ba? Because we are doing it the SP Madrid way, which is the way with integrity. Ano ba yung integrity? Integrity simply means you do the right thing kahit walang nakatingin sa'yo.
Without this loyalty, awardees, employees of SP Madrid, maybe wala yung 18 years.
Energy nyo ngayon, intensity nyo ngayon, that would define the next 18 years. Hindi yan manggagaling kung saan-saan pa, manggagaling din yan sa inyo. Sa energy nyo, pagmamahal nyo, loyalty nyo, lahat sama-sama na yan.
My gratitude to these awardees who will be receiving their token gifts from SP Madrid for being loyal and staying and believing in the organization.
Integrity. That's what I'm passionate about. That's what I'm passionate in building. And I hope everyone will continue to be as passionate in building it the right way.
Ang nag-guarantee na next 18 years, yung energy na binibigay natin ngayon, na nafe-feel ko ngayon, na binibigay nyo, na ginagawa nyo, nafe-feel ko day one pa rin. Happy anniversary guys. Happy 18th anniversary sa atin lahat. Sa atin po lahat itong celebration na to. And maraming salamat po.